In this tutorial, we are starting a new project called Good Night House. Our goal is to integrate the SDK plugin and import an LCC file generated from the XGrids platform. This LCC file represents a scanned environment captured using a SLAM scanner. First, we have two key components: the plugin directory and the LCC file exported from XGrids. We'll begin by copying the plugin directory to our project's plugin folder. Next, we can locate the LCC file. The file is exported from XGrids Studio after logging in and processing the scan. Once you've exported, you can open the file location and copy to your project directory. With everything in place, you open Unreal Engine, create a new folder for your assets if needed, and place the LCC file inside. Now, navigate to the Developer tab, add an LCC Actor to your scene, and load the LCC file from your directory you just created. Once loaded, the scan environment will appear in your scene. At this stage, you may notice that collision is not yet configured, so the player may fall through the geometry. To fix this, we'll set up a collision for the imported mesh. After enabling collision, the environment becomes fully interactive. Now you can begin by positioning the asset, adjust the transform to place the house correctly within the scene, and scale it as needed. From here, you can start building your environment, adding lighting, refining shadows, and setting up the scene for your project. And that's it. Your scanned environment is now successfully imported and ready to use inside Unreal Engine. This is Jace from Rapid Scan 3D, showing you how to use the XGrids Scanner Portal Cam importing to Unreal Engine. Thanks for watching.